this is N2 Cape Town. We are going toward to Sea Point. Okay, the beauty. What mountain is this,
Nelson
Aziza?
Mandela Boulevard.
Okay, Nelson Mandela Boulevard
Nelson
Drive.
Mandela Boulevard Drive.
Is this nearby UCT, no?
Yeah, that's
This is
nearby.
nearby UCT, University of Cape Town, and I don't know what is this mountain? Table Mountain.
Table Mountain.
Okay, the side of the Table Mountain,
Yeah.
and you can
That's
see the
Lion's
beauty. Okay, it's Lion's
Nelson
Head.
Mandela Boulevard.
Yeah, Nelson Mandela Boulevard, right? And
Is
look at the
waterfront.
beauty. Yeah, look at the beauty of the drive. Wow, beautiful. Waterfront, you can see. Yeah, from here.
It's cargo ships laying in the harbor.
Yeah.
No yachts.
Yeah, no yachts. And this is our town is coming, Cape Town town, and behind that is a sea point. So yes, this is a
You
harbor.
see, there's the harbor.
Harbor, yes.
Waterfront.
This is the beauty of Cape Town.